Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Today I have come back with a very unique ingredient and awesome health benefits, which is also a weight loss ingredient, I would say, and the curry prepared with the stock is a delicacy. The name of the curry is Kutt ka Salan. Kutt is nothing but the stock which we take out of the horse gram. Horse gram is nothing but kulthi. Now quickly let's get started with the recipe. For first we have to take kulthi, that is nothing but the horse gram. You will get in shops name horse gram, you check, you will get it. Kulthi we call it in Urdu or Hindi. In Tamil they call it kollu. But all over South India it is very famous and everybody makes it during the time of winter especially. I have taken 1 kg of horse gram. Nicely I have added enough water. Less than quarter teaspoon I have added baking soda. Give it a nice good mix and leave it to soak for at least 4 to 5 hours. After 4 to 5 hours I will discard all the water in which baking soda is also there, right? So I will just discard this water and add fresh water as much as I want and then start cooking it. Cooking means traditionally it's cooked on the stove top, like you should keep double triple the water, but here I am cooking it in the Instapot for 9 minutes. I have kept less water only, otherwise it will just come out. After opening I added enough water and started boiling it for another 10-15 minutes and the stock will come. This is the stock which we need for the recipe today. Why we call it a very healthy recipe? Because it gives lot of energy to your body and also generates lot of heat during the time of winter. This is the stock and even that kulthi, right, boiled one, nice and soft. I have boiled it. See, for 30 minutes I have put the Instapot on. It will be getting cooked and reduced. Until then, let's take this tamarind, lemon sized tamarind I have taken. I'll just remove the pulp and I'll add this pulp also inside the stock, and I will add little bit of salt also. Then our cut is getting reduced. It will take at least 1 hour. Normally everybody will, previous day itself they will prepare this stock for making the curry next day. That's what even I did. Previous day night I am doing all this stuff. This boiled horse gram also we will not waste, as it is rich in fiber and it is a power packed energy booster also. I am going to store it in the freezer this way in Ziploc bags. I will use it in making chana masala, like I will make instead of chana I will add this horse gram, or even evening tea time snack that I will add at the end of the video. That recipe I have taken today. And see, until then this cut or the stock is very much ready. I have kept it in the fridge. Next day morning, if you have seen my frozen kofta recipe, how to make and freeze, like that only I have made few koftas and already kept frozen for this recipe specially. Today early morning I am taking out the koftas for making the curry. At first take nice wide open pot in that little bit of oil, and I will first fry all the brinjal. I have taken small cute brinjals. I bought them in Walmart. Always this brinjal you will get in Walmart in this size. And frying is optional, or simply like that raw also you can add, but I have fried and kept. Now in that same kadai I am adding the stock which we prepared last night, that is Kutt. Both the bottles, little I saved for making rasam also in next week. Now first I have taken 4 large onions and handful of coriander and nicely blend it in the blender. Nice smooth paste. This recipe is very easy once you make that cut. See, now all the ingredients, just simply you don't need to fry. Keep on adding all the ingredients. Onions, with that coriander I have taken. If you want green chili also you can add while grinding itself. This is tomatoes, 4 large tomatoes. Now 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. And in powder masala I have taken only turmeric powder, chili powder, dhania powder and jeera powder. Little bit of salt also. Remember we have added the salt in Kutt also. Accordingly you adjust. Then if you want to add coconut, here itself you add fresh ground coconut also, but I will be using coconut milk, so I am not adding it right away. Cover the lid and cook at least for half an hour. Until then, let's boil some eggs also. And what all you can add inside this cut. That is, if you want to add mutton while you are adding onions, tomatoes, and all, right, at that time itself, and leave it on low flames for at least 30 to 45 minutes. Mutton also will get cooked. But today I have taken koftas, frozen koftas. Couple of videos back I taught you how to make koftas. You can go and check that video. I have now added 25 to 30 koftas in this, and 25 to 30 this brinjal also in it. And now our eggs are also ready, and I will just give nice cuts on these eggs so that the masala or the curry will nicely get inside the egg also. Flavor will be very different and very unique flavor. Definitely give it a try. After adding all the ingredients, cover it and cook for at least another 20 to 30 minutes. Slow cooked for a little longer time will give nice extra taste. Now you can see I am adding coconut milk over here. It is optional. If you want you can add, or you can omit also. Finally, I am preparing a very rich tempering for this curry with lot of ghee in it, and I am adding mustard seeds, jeera, curry leaf, and dry red chilies. That's all. This is going to give extra flavor to our Kutt kofta and anda curry. Very tasty and very unique recipe. Why it is called as a weight loss recipe? Because horse gram is supposed to be a very nice warm ingredient which generates heat in your body, especially in winters when your body stores lot of fat, right? If you have this in your diet, then all your belly fat will get melted easily. That is why in all the weight loss journey, people will definitely add this ingredient in South India. Not only for weight loss, it is normally in winters and all, this recipe is very much appreciated to keep yourself nice and warm. It is a very popular South Indian dish, I would say. Mostly I have seen in Bangalore, Karnataka, or even for that reason Chennai and Tamil Nadu I have seen, but other states I am not sure about it. But I am sure that it is not the recipe from north, it is from the south. When all friends were discussing about the different variety of menus, right, nobody knew about this Kutt or horse gram. So I wanted to share with all my friends, those who are Indians as well as Pakistanis and other country people. They all were very new to this ingredients. I am sure they all loved it too. Very lengthy process of making this delicacy, but worth trying it for the health benefits and for the extremely unique taste as well. However lengthy or complicated the recipe is, perfect planning can make it much more easier and very tastier too. Next, I will share the evening tea time snack also. I prepared couple of days back. That is just like South Indian. If you are a South Indian, you will know sundal. Like that only I am preparing, or even North Indian like chaat like you prepare, right? Like that one tea time snack only I am going to prepare right away. That frozen kulthi, you have to just remove it and defrost it. Kulthi means horse gram, which is boiled and kept. I kept it in Ziploc slide. That only I am talking about. Nice hearty tempering in oil. That is urad dal, mustard seeds, curry leaves, little bit of dry red chilies, and asafoetida definitely add. That gives extra flavor, and lot of onions. Nicely give it a good fry, and to that see I am adding this one full Ziploc. We boiled and froze it, right? Like this I will be taking one full Ziploc. In that lot of coriander and little bit of lemon juice and salt. That's all. Just like that of a chaat only I am making. Nicely give it a good mix. Instead of taking any cookies or cakes in the evening with tea, this kind of a healthier option will keep you much more healthy. And while making cut and all, we will not waste even these horse grams which we boil. Hope you all found this ingredient very useful and helpful and liked the recipe too. Soon I'll be back with another awesome recipe or a vlog. Until then, stay safe, take care, and goodbye.